name is Claire and welcome to Rainbow Chef's Academy. Today we're going to be making strawberry trifles. First, we're going to wash our hands for 30 seconds so germs and bacteria on our hands will cook in. Now for my mise en place, we have fresh strawberries, heavy whipping cream, pound cake. You can also use ladyfingers, cookies, or brownies, whatever you have at home, and blue bottom cups. Now we're gonna cut our strawberries, then start cutting your strawberry. Now we're gonna make homemade whipped cream, and I would like to invite a special guest, 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗁.
Hi Rainbow Chefs, it's so great to be with you today. So with Claire, we're going to make some awesome whipping cream. So Claire, do you want to tell us what we're going to do first?
Yeah, sure. So we're going to put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into this bowl. Then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of blue agave. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of this vanilla flavor.
What is agave? Do you even know what that is?
I'm pretty sure it's from cactuses and it tastes exactly like maple syrup. Oh my god, that's great.
What is it a replacement for? Do you know?
What was your question?
What is it a replacement for?
Sugar.
Awesome. Okay. Now, do you want to do the measurement of the extract? Can you smell it now? It smells so good.
It does.
So now, Rainbow Chefs, we're going to use a technique called whisking. So Claire's going to hand me a whisk over here, and because we're extra cool Rainbow Chefs, we're going to do this by hand. So to whisk, you're going to hold the whisk by the handle. I like gripping it like you're holding a pencil, kind of. And then you're going to kind of tilt your bowl at an angle. You can rest it so it doesn't spill. And then your arm's going to kind of go in a circular motion. That way you're whipping as much air into the whipped cream, which morally makes it puffy and whipped, similar to a cloud. So I'm going to show you that right now.
Now we're going to be cutting our pound cake. So, since we now have cut up our pound cake, we are going to take this spoon, put it on the bottom of this cup that we have. Now, we grab some of our crumbled pound cake and we kind of sprinkled it. Strawberries that I have freshly cut. Now we layer them on top of the whipped cream.
You got it. Keep going. Keep going. You got it.
Now we put more whipped cream on top. Now since we're out of whipping cream, sadly, we're gonna have to do our last layer. What I like to do on the last layer is I like to half and half it. So I'll have pound cake, strawberries. And then we're done since we have no more whipping cream. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and like. And a special thanks to 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗁 for joining me on this special cooking with you guys. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm a Rainbow Chef and I am 7 years old, born in California, Birmingham. Today we are making a gluten-free chocolate cake. This is almond and cocoa flour, and I'm going to break 3 eggs in there. gently whisk it all together. Everybody, I'm still mixing, hoping for a great gluten-free chocolate cake. Gotta do it nicely and hold it and whisk it. Don't do it too hard or else it's gonna fall out. I'm almost ready to go to the oven. Hi guys, I'm about to butter my gluten-free cake. And that's it.
Hi Rainbow Chefs, my name is Chef Ava and welcome to Rainbow Chefs Academy. Today we'll be making a tiramisu. But before we get started, we're going to go wash our hands for 30 seconds under warm water with soap to make sure that there's no bacteria on our hands before we start cooking. Be right back. After we finish washing our hands, we are now going to start preparing our mise en place, which is French for everything in this place. So in front of me, I have a package of ladyfingers, chocolate chips, vanilla extract, agave syrup, ricotta cheese, cinnamon, brewed coffee, and then for our materials, we have a square Pyrex or glass pan, a medium-sized mixing bowl, measuring spoons, a glass measuring cup, and an offset spatula. Are you wondering where you get all these super cool materials? Well, I have a tip for you. Right behind me, I have my Rainbow Chef backpack, which includes all the different materials and special materials that all Rainbow Chefs will be using throughout this channel. If you would like to go purchase one, go down below or head to our website to go purchase one. To start our tiramisu, we're going to now make a ricotta cream. So we're going to grab our ricotta and we're going to measure out about 3/4 of a cup of ricotta into our medium-sized mixing bowl. I'm going to give this a little mix before we add it to our mixing bowl. And then we're going to measure about 3/4 cup into the bowl. Perfect. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, give it a little rinse. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. Agave is a sweetener that I've used in previous videos and is a great replacement for regular sugar that is not actually very good for us. So I like to add a good amount of agave syrup, that way our desserts are nice and sweet, but they're also super healthy for us. Adding 2 tablespoons of that. Going to give it a little rinse. And then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Sprinkle that in. I'll put our mixture in the sink. We're gonna give our ricotta cream a little mix. You can smell the cinnamon, it smells great, along with the vanilla. Everything incorporated. And there we have our ricotta cream. Now that we finished our ricotta cream, I set it to the side, and now we're going to start on preparing our ladyfingers. So to start, I got my medium-sized square glass dish, and then I'm going to grab my ladyfingers. I'm gonna take them apart. I'm gonna do a quick little dunk in the coffee, dunk, and then I'm going to place them flat into our dish. I'm gonna continue doing that till my dish is full of ladyfingers, but only 1 layer of them. Dunk. Making sure they're extra soaked. And again, keep going till all your ladyfingers are done. Now that we've finished our 1 layer of ladyfingers, we're now going to grab our ricotta cream and spread it all over to create a thin layer of it. So I'm gonna grab a good 2 spoonfuls, and then using my offset spatula, I'm going to spread it around. Sure it's all even and thin. Turning the pan when I need to. keep going until you layer some. Now that I finished spreading my one layer of ricotta cream on top, I'm now going to grab more ladyfingers, dunk them in coffee, and create another layer and continue putting cream, ladyfingers until the pan is full or you run out of ingredients. So be right back. Now that we finished making our tiramisu and layering our ladyfingers in ricotta cream, we're now going to pour some chocolate chips into a melting pot. We're going to go melt it in the microwave and then drizzle over, so I'll be right back with melted chocolate. Now that I'm back with our melted chocolate, we're now going to use a spoon and drizzle some over the top of our tiramisu. I'm gonna grab a little bit and then just drizzle lightly over the top. You don't want to put too much, but feel free to put as much as you want. We don't want the chocolate to overpower everything, so just make sure to be conscious of how much you're adding on top. I'm gonna go the other way. Make cool designs as well, and there you go. And there you have it, Rainbow Chef's homemade tiramisu. Feel free to share this with your friends. I know this is a huge pan, so make sure to go have your friends try and give you a thumbs up or thumbs down. Hopefully it's a big thumbs up. So thank you so much for joining me on this Rainbow Chef tiramisu journey. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and go down below and go subscribe to this channel to get more of what you're looking at right now. So thank you so much and hope to see you again soon. Bye!